Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious mini fig cookie that I know you guys are really going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Delicious fig cookie or thumb cookie. These are the ingredients. I have 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 pinch of salt, vanilla paste or vanilla extract, what you have at home. Of course, the fig spread, 2 sticks of unsalted butter, 1 cup of powdered sugar, 2 cups of all-purpose flour. This is everything you need to enjoy a delicious and amazing homemade mini cookie filled with fig spread. So let's get started. First things first is sifting of all-purpose flour. This part is very important. You really want to sift all your dry ingredients, especially the all-purpose flour and the powdered sugar. You don't want any lumps on none of those 2 little dry ingredients. So here I'm just going to sift them really good. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon or a pinch of salt. And here I'm just incorporating really good all these amazing ingredients. Let me tell you, this cookie really comes out so delicious and amazing. I have 2 sticks of unsalted butter. I'm going to take it to the microwave, and now I'm ready to just add it. Remember, 1 teaspoon of vanilla paste or vanilla extract, whatever you have at home. Your best tool to incorporate the wet and the dry, of course, is your hand. So I am going to start by removing the spatula and then just mixing, incorporating all the dry ingredients into the butter. And look at this. It really doesn't take too long to make this amazing thumbprint cookie. I'm making mini ones so that you really enjoy it with your beautiful family. Let me tell you, the topping, I am using fig, but if you can't find fig, you always have strawberry jam or apricot jam. You decide. But the fig spread right on the top is really good and delicious. And here I separated the dough into 2. And I'm just pulling apart. And then I am going to just cut just like this. You want your cookies to almost be at the same amount of dough so that they cook at the same time. There's no need to weigh them. Just by eyeballing it, you could see that they have to be almost the same size. Well, here I'm going to continue making the rest of the little circles. And once I'm done, I am going to start putting them into my baking dish. I have preheated my oven to 350 Fahrenheit. They're going to go in the oven for only 10 minutes. Until you see the rim of the cookie getting golden brown. That's when you're ready to take it out. Every oven is different. But let me tell you, don't hesitate and make this amazing thumbprint cookie. Of course, with the filling that you really know that your family really loves. Here at home, my family loves figs. So that's why I'm adding right in that little indentation, I'm adding a little bit of the fig spread. I'm going to use about half a teaspoon of the spread right in the center. You don't want to overcrowd the fig right in the center. Add just enough into the indentation. And don't worry if the cookie cracks. That's okay. And now let me show you what I'm going to do. Of course, I'm going to use 2 spoons to help myself. 2 mini spoons. Look at this. Look how easy it is to add that filling right in that indentation. Let me tell you, this cookie really comes out really delicious. It's going to spread just a little. So that's why I'm leaving just enough space on the sides of every single cookie on my baking dish. Like I said at the beginning of the video, of course, if you have little ones, bring them in the kitchen, have them help you so they enjoy baking with you. And of course, enjoy making your amazing cookies. You could start your day with this amazing cookie, or you could end your day with this homemade cookie. You decide, but the fig spread is just delicious and amazing. Look at this. Just enough to feel the indentation. No more than that, or else it's going to spread out of your cookie, and that's exactly what you don't want. Of course, I am making several trays. My oven is already preheated. They're going to go in the oven 350 Fahrenheit for only 10 minutes, or until I start seeing the rim of the cookie getting nice and golden brown. And here they are ready. Look how beautiful they came out. Of course, I'm going to put them in a rack so they start coming to room temperature and they do not continue cooking on the tray. Look how easy it is. Let me tell you, when you make cookies at home, you always have control. How much butter you add, how much sugar you add, and of course, you always bake with love, and all your goods are going to come out delicious, amazing, and your family are really going to enjoy this amazing cookie. Of course, I need to show you how they look from the inside, and let me show you. They're going to be nice and golden brown from the bottom, and from the top, they're still going to be a little gooey. Look at this. This looks amazing. And of course, I want to prepare my baking dish, my presentation plate. Look at this. They look so beautiful, and I'm sure they taste amazing. And I can't wait to enjoy. So I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing thumbprint cookie filled with the fig spread. This is just amazing. Let me tell you, when you make these cookies, really enjoy them with your beautiful family. You could start the day with this cookie and a glass of milk, or you could end your day with this cookie and a cup of coffee. This is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Excuse me. Oh my God. Crispy from the bottom, gooey from the center, and the flavor of the fig, amazing. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing cookie. When you bake at home, you have control of how much sugar you add to your baking goods. Like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.